Hello, namaste, welcome to All in One by Joy. Today I'm going to show you 1 minute hairstyle for oily hair. It's low sleek bun. For this hairstyle, we will need only 3 hair accessories: bobby pins, U-shaped hairpins, and 1 rubber band. So let's get started. First, comb your hair. Now gather all your hair in the back and make a low ponytail. Now twist your ponytail and start by wrapping it all the way. Now secure your bun with bobby pins and hairpins.
I hope you like this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to All in One by Joy. Mwah.